Hello, everybody, boys and girls. Eli the Barber coming right at ya, talking to you about this amazing Aftershockz headset, Bluetooth, whatever you want to call it. These are amazing on the Barber game, okay? So you can keep the communication with your clients while you cutting hair without having to stop cutting, without being interrupted. Okay, you can call, redial, and receive phone calls. Remember, make it short and sweet. Okay, do not have long conversations. We all understand that it's very unprofessional to talk on the phone while you cutting hair, but sometimes when you are your own receptionist, you gotta do what you gotta do, but make it short and sweet, because your attention should be fully, completely dedicated to your client, the one that is sitting on the chair. Okay, don't forget that. But we all understand that sometimes you have no choice. You have to talk to a family member, your kids, a client that is having problems with the booking site, so and so. I have clients that are senior, they're not good with technology. I have to do it for them. It's okay. I use it as reminders to remind me of things that I need to do later on, so I won't forget. I make phone calls, I receive phone calls, I redial. All this, I do it without touching my phone, without stopping cutting hair, okay? I just press the button on my Bluetooth and I just keep cutting like nothing is happening, all right? It reads the text to me when somebody texts me, and it tells me who's texting me, where the text is from. All right. It reduces the background noise big time. Let me tell you something. Sometimes I'm cutting hair and I have 3 blow dryers going on at the same time. Okay, at the salon, and people can hear me, no problem at all whatsoever. Like, I don't have to raise my voice, people can hear me fine. Okay, so that is amazing, the background noise reduction that is on this Bluetooth. It doesn't go inside your ear, which is amazing. It goes on your bone density. Bone. It uses bone density. All right, and which is good. You shouldn't have. You're not supposed to have anything inside your ears. That's how ear infections comes. I mean, you can ask any doctor. Okay, your ear is not made for that, we having something stuck in there all day, because you release sebum and that can create infection. All right, okay, going along. It uses a Type-C charger. Charge it overnight, use it all day long. The battery lasts all day, and the warranty is 2 years. Okay, I have used warranty lasts up to 2 years. My first one lasted about 1 year and a half. I call and right away they send me a second one for free. It's amazing. I don't have to stop cutting hair for nothing. Of course, keep it professional, keep your conversations sweet and short, and keep your attention completely to your client. And don't forget, it's the best headset that any barber can use if you don't want to be interrupted. No need for you to stop cutting. Let me tell you something. Subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Eli the Barber coming right at ya.